Hello everyone, welcome back to Homebridge channel. I'm Joe, and today we are going to be discussing a crucial topic, the most important pitfall when sourcing furniture online and how to avoid them. Whether you are sourcing from Foshan China for the first time, or you are a seasoned buyer, knowing these pitfalls that can save you time, energy, and health. Ready? Let's get started. The first misconception, the size doesn't fit. Many customers are attracted by the furniture design but neglect to measure the space. The result, the sofa won't fit in the door and the dining table won't squeeze into the kitchen. Don't worry, the solution is simple. Firstly, accurately measure the dimension of each room and record of location of doors and windows. Secondly, provide accurate house floor plan or contact the Homebridge purchase manager directly to get professional space planning advice for free. We will also provide 3D rendering and construction drawings according to your needs. We will ensure that every piece of furniture that you choose is a perfect fit. Listen 2. Style is out of control. A Japanese coffee table with a Scandinavian sofa, mixing and matching can be fun, but they can also turn into a disaster. So, how do you make sure that your style is consistent? The answer is here. Browse the style inspiration section of Homebridge website or submit the application on the website to make an appointment for a free consultation. Our purchase manager will select furniture with matching style from hundreds of factories in Foshan according to your needs and providing the matching solutions. Remember, coordinated colors and materials are the key to a premium look. Listen 3. Ignore supply reputation. Inferior materials or hidden feed may be hiding behind low prices. Have you ever encountered poor quality goods? Homebridge strictly adopts the Foshan partner factories, provides fully transparent quotations, and arrange professional quality inspections. Before you place an order, you will receive a detailed product report. You can inspect the goods remotely through pictures and videos. After we complete the full inspection, we will arrange logistics to deliver the goods directly to your door and provide a 2-year warranty services to completely animate your warrants. Avoid this misunderstanding and you can get your dream home. Visit homebridge.com to select products online or enter the website to submit a demand form. Remember, professional furniture procurement should not be a risk. Homebridge, your reliable furniture sourcing partner.